So what are the best crypto sites? Now this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now if you're interested in crypto, finding the best sites to help you to get started is super important. Now let me walk you through a few places that are great to begin your journey and get the most out of your experience, all right? Now step one, first you gotta check out crypto.com. This site is easy to use, it has a lot of tools, it's gonna help you understand crypto, especially if you're a beginner. They have guides, news, and even a wallet to keep all your coins safe, okay? Step two, after you look at crypto.com, after you start, look for other trusted sites like CoinMarketCap. This site is awesome for keeping track of different cryptos, how much they're worth, and their market trends. It's a helpful tool to see what's happening in the crypto world, all right? Now, step three, once you've learned from these sites, keep exploring. There are many other resources and forums like Reddit, where people talk about their experiences and they share tips. So, joining a community will help you feel more confident as you dive deeper into crypto, all right? So by following these three steps, you're gonna know exactly where to go for the best crypto information. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people already on crypto.com, open an account through my referral link in the description because we can both get rewarded very nicely, and then you could do the same with other people too.